If you're trying to create a product review YouTube channel, or you're trying to diversify to YouTube from another channel like the Amazon Influencer Program, TikTok, Instagram, or Facebook, I'm going to show you how you can make it super easy with AI in this video. What is up, my beautiful, successful content creators? In today's video, we're going to create a ChatGPT helper that's going to make YouTube automation super easy, specifically if you were trying to build a brand new product review channel on YouTube. If this is your first time joining me, I've been a YouTuber for coming on 7 years now. I've been in the Amazon Influencer Program for 3 or 4 years now. I'm making about 10 grand on the Amazon Influencer Program, and there's a lot of reasons why you might want to start a YouTube channel product review. We're not going to get into the actual creation of the YouTube channel here. There's a lot of videos on the internet about how to set up a channel and all of that. There are a couple of things that we have to do today specific to our business though. So first and foremost, this is the YouTube studio. I'm on a desktop. I'm not on a mobile device. You probably can do this from a mobile device, but I'm doing this from my desktop just because this is what I'm the most comfortable with. And if you're not in your YouTube studio, the first thing that you're going to do is go up to this icon on the top right-hand corner, click on that, and then go to YouTube Studio right there. Step one, complete, easy peasy. Now, the first thing that you have to do to make sure that you're setting yourself up for success and posting videos as seamless and fast as possible is go into the settings and upload defaults right here. You need to have an affiliate disclaimer. This video may contain affiliate links, which that if you click on it, one of the product links and make a purchase, I will receive commission, blah, 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 blah. Use AI for this. You know, pay a lawyer for this. However you want to get it done, you have to have an affiliate disclaimer on your YouTube videos all the time. You may have product links, you may not have product links, but eventually you probably do, or most of you that are here probably already do. You have to have that on here. So go into settings, upload defaults, and then I can add this to the description if you would like. And then you also want to have a get yours here. This is then upload defaults. You click on save, and then that's it. We're done with the automatic stuff, the behind the scenes before we publish videos. So if you're anything like me, you batch create videos, and I use the Viral View software to message 100 sellers every single day requesting free products. I receive over 100 free products per week, and I just review 8 to 10 of them every day. If you want to learn more about the Viral View software and how it all works and why it's good for your product review journey, then I've got a link in the description box down below to the software itself, and I have a 10% off coupon code for that software. I don't want to talk about that too much in this video, though it is absolutely crucial to how I work, but beside the point. If you're anything like me, like I said, you batch create videos. I made 8 product videos today, and I uploaded them all at once. You just go up here to the create button, okay? Upload videos, find all of your files, your edited or unedited or whatever video files for your products, drag them onto here, and then away you go. You could also click select files and browse them directly. It's just faster if you highlight them all and drag them onto this little screen right here. And then they'll all upload. And that is going to take a second depending on your internet speed. So let's take a look at this under sync storage. Now this item right here was sent to me by a seller to review, and you can see that it has my upload defaults that I mentioned already. It's got my get yours here with my affiliate disclosure right there. So this is where the ChatGPT of it all comes in. What we're trying to do is we're trying to create a helper, something that's set right up here at the top that I can open up, and it knows exactly what I'm looking for every single time I drop a link into it. So this particular under sync organizer, we're going to click on the URL up here at the top. We're just going to copy that into the review helper. And sometimes it works automatically. Sometimes it requests the title as well. I think today it's going to request the title. It's going to say, hey, I can't actually look at that directly. But yeah, I wasn't able to access that directly. That's perfectly normal. You want to just go back over to the product and copy and paste the title of the product into the AI, and then it's going to run. The helper that I've built here does a couple of things for me. First and foremost, it gives me titles. Now, the titles work very well for YouTube. They also work very well for the Amazon Influencer program, video, upload. They also work for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, what have you. So I just pick a title or, modify one of these existing titles. I would try to pick a title that doesn't seem too default or bland or cliche. The AI that I'm giving, the command that I'm giving it here is designed to have clickable titles. So for example, let's see, transform cluttered cabinets with this 2-tier organizer. That seems pretty good. So we'll use that one. So that's our title first and foremost. And now we have the get yours here. You're going to go to the get link for your Amazon influencer, Amazon associates, right there. You're going to use that get link. So I'm going to just copy my get link. I'm going to paste that in right there, get link, boom. The next thing that the AI gives you is the short SEO description. So this is an SEO or a search engine optimization description. So when people are searching for products like this video will have a chance to pop up. I'm just copying that into the second space right here, just paste it in, and then there you go. There's the description. I've got the title, I've got the description, and then the cool thing about YouTube is it will auto-generate with AI a fun thumbnail. So you don't have to learn how to do thumbnails in any graphic design software. Just use one of the AI-generated thumbnails that comes up from the video. I'm actually just going to choose this one. It shows the product. It shows me actually in the video, so it knows that it's not like, so people that look at this video know that it's not like a fake product image, right? Or just a default or a manufacturer's video image, something like that. So we're not quite done yet. You're going to go down here to the paid promotion section. Okay, this is very important. If you receive this product to review from a seller, if you receive the product in exchange for a video review or a product review in a blog or something like that, you have to click paid promotion. All right, you have to let YouTube know that this is a paid promotion. It's not, you're not receiving money, but it is obviously a product placement video that you received from the manufacturer. You didn't buy this yourself. Of course, if you're reviewing your own, then you would leave this blank. A little bit further down, altered content. Click no. This is not AI content. Okay, Google doesn't care too much about AI content, but they want to know if it is AI generated or not. And obviously, if you're using AI, then click yes. And then finally, we have 2 more steps. We have tags. This is helpful for people searching for items. Your video will have a chance to pop up. This ChatGPT will give you all of the tags that you need. And more importantly, it gives you them in a format that will allow you to have them automatically spaced out. Okay, so I have actually too many characters on here, so I need to delete a couple. Let's delete adjustable shelf, home improvements, and there you go. One last step is the category. Now, this doesn't matter a ton, but to me, I feel like it's important. It gives you suggested categories. So how to and style is what it suggests the category, which is kind of the usual default for my videos. Don't put any video elements, okay? This is like the end screen stuff. If your YouTube channel is all about just product reviews, people are not going to watch another product review on your channel, and it just kind of gets in the way of your video itself, especially if your video is like roughly a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes long. This is a 20-second end screen, which you can adjust if you'd like, but we're not going to get into that here. I just leave it blank. I just go to next, and then I go to make sure you click public. Okay, make sure you click public, and now the video is published. Now people can go and find this video on your YouTube channel. So this chat helper, like I said, I just drop the URL, the link into the search bar here. Sometimes it asks for the actual title to finish it up. It gives me the title, the description, the tags, and the category. And YouTube itself automatically, using AI, generates the thumbnail. So we're done, right? Pretty easy, pretty straightforward. So I'm going to give you the command to build this Amazon helper. It's absolutely free. I'll pin it in the first comment down below. This right here is what you're going to, this is what you're going to use. This is what you're going to tell ChatGPT. I want to build a permanent conversation that will do a number of tasks all at once and I need help writing a prompt for it. I run an Amazon product review channel on YouTube. I want to give the product URL and be given 1, several title ideas, 2, a short SEO-friendly description, 3, a list of YouTube copy-paste friendly tags, 4, YouTube category suggestions. How would I go about establishing this, and which ChatGPT model should I use? Now, from there, you're going to receive different responses based on what ChatGPTs that you have access to. If you have the paid version, it's going to give you some models. If you don't have the paid version of ChatGPT, then it will give you another option. So it'll take some time, it'll think about it, and then it's going to basically break down exactly how to set it up. But what you're going to want to do is find this section right here. Paste this into the instruction box verbatim. Okay, so you're just going to copy all of this, not everything, so down to here. So there's a point that it's going to be like how you're going to use it. Here's some pro tips. You don't want to copy and paste all of that. You don't want to do all of that. So you're just going to copy this section, including this box right here, and then follow the instructions right here. Follow these instructions depending on which versions of ChatGPT that you have. Follow these instructions. Go to Explore, create a GPT. Explore is all the way down here at the bottom on the left side. I'm sorry, my webcam is covering it. There's an Explore button, and then here's everything that you need. You have Amazon Review Helper is the name, the description, the instructions that you're copying right here, paste that in, what model it suggests you to use, the capabilities, the knowledge files, everything that you're going to need. And then from then on, every time you come to ChatGPT, whenever you open a brand new ChatGPT window, over here on the left side, your GPTs list, it's going to be right here in this list. I've got one for YouTube script writing because I'm a YouTuber. I've got one for storytelling because I write short stories about a video game. Yeah, so Amazon Review Helper, there you go. You'll just click on that. It'll pull up the helper, and just like I started the video with, you drop your URL in, and and away you go. This video has gone on way too long. I apologize, but consider subscribing if you found this video helpful, and let me know what other questions you might have about this whole process. My name is Charlie. This is 28K Consulting, and I hope you never work a 9 to 5 ever again.